Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show this 2016 Freightliner we have for sale. It's a Freightliner M2. It's only got 69,000 miles on it. It's got 5,500 engine hours. It's got an 11-foot Knapheide service body, 7,500 pound IMT crane, IMT hydraulic air compressor. It's got a Miller welder, all the leads and everything. It's a one-owner truck out of Colorado. Has no rust on it. Really nice truck. Hard to find these things with this kind of mileage. Tires are like new all the way around. It's an 8.9 liter Cummins diesel with an Allison transmission. Enclosed cover. This does slide forward. This little tailgate folds down there. This truck is 26,000 GVWR, so it's under CDL. It does have air brakes, 22.5 wheels. $20 hours on the compressor. It's a Miller Bobcat 250 D, which is a diesel, 380 hours on it. Come back around and start that up. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. I need to fire that welder up. Forgot about that. Slide out here. Power inverter right here. Got a sun. Backup camera. All right. All right, if you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of this truck. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. You're probably going to be around $200 to $250 a mile on this truck. It's a big boy. So if you decide to do the shipping, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to Kentucky or Washington State, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it. Normally it'll take 3 to 7 days to get the truck. A truck like this, it might take a little bit longer because it's a bigger truck and you got to find the right person looking to haul something like this. But normally, even on a truck like this, I usually have another customer within 10 days. If you got to know the exact second someone's going to drop it off and the exact second they're going to pick it up, the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person. And you're welcome to do that and drive it home. If you decide to go that route, we're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you have to do a wire transfer, bring a cashier's check, or cash. That's our 3 payment methods. Please do not come with a regular check. I'm not going to sell you the truck. It has to be a certified bank check. We cannot take a check on your business name or your name. It has to be a certified bank check, cashier's check. All right. That's about it on this one. Again, it's a 16 Freightliner, 7,500 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, welder, hydraulic outriggers, 69,000 miles, 5,500 engine hours. Just a nice truck and hard to find. All right, thanks for watching.